cat sleep on the floor. Let's see what we got here. Just grabbing random things I'm finding on the table. Oh, nothing. It was just yeah, seeing what all he would let me stack on him. So far he's got a lighter, notepad, Nerf dart. Gotta put the pen on the paper. And then there's another lighter just in case he needs one, in case it runs out. And then let's see, got a pack of smokes in case you want some later. Let's see here. Oh, there's a remote. Just in case he wants to watch TV. Hey, Day Day, do you want to play? Do you want to play some Legos or Duplos, whatever they're called? This one stacks. Oh, it fell. Hold on. Sorry, I'm not good at balancing on kitties. Oh! Oh!
Cat shifts.
You did good. Oh my god. I know, I'm sorry. He's mad at me.
It's just roly-poly left and right.
I don't hear. Let me just. I know. Ow! There's something under you. This pile of stuff.
There's a lot of stuff to put on a cat.
I know.